Yeah, hi, I'm Szu-min, and I come from Taiwan and then studied my master for Part 2 architecture and just finished last August. And I'm now currently work with my boss in Moll Architects to be an architecture assistant. So the valuable memory for me is like the experience is really connects to my professions. Like they need me to draw the drawings, to using the 3D softwares to produce the models. And then all these things I can put on my portfolio. And then I believe this can be a very good working experience for me to put on the CV and then the portfolio. And because when we're looking for a job, most of the companies in here are looking for someone can use Revit. And then before I come to this company, I only have the basic knowledge, but my boss he gave me the time and then trust me so I can like do my best to improve my using on this software. So now I thinking I have more confidence to accept more jobs in the architecture firms. So I ask a lot of people like this experience to help me like both professional and personal. In the professional ways, like when I ask a lot of people who are working in the architecture firm, they are looking for someone who already have a 6 months work, at least 6 months working experience. And then having the first step in the intern group that give me a slightly touch to the real industry. And I know what is the reality we should improve, and then how can I choose the direction, or do I really want to be involved as a member? And then they just give me a certainty, like this is the way I really want to go. And for my personal, it's like, because as an architecture student, we are being trained in the university for so many years, but we really never know what is the companies and the society that they really required. So when we are working here, and then I think it gives me the confidence to say like, actually what we've done in the university, everything is all worth to contribute to the work content. So don't worry about anything that you don't know what to do. Believe yourself, like everything you learn from your university, it's all can bring to your work content. And now I'm doing that. I have the confidence to move forward. So basically, before I found this intern group, I tried the ways that most of the graduate students will do to look for a job. But as an architecture firm, it's not easy to get an opportunity. And before I found the intern group, I already sent applications for 100 times and no one really replied me. So intern group really builds a good connection for me. They send my CV to different companies, and then some companies, they gave me the opportunity for the interview. And then I always want to be an architect here, so it's really giving me a good opportunity to continue.